Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first video, a part of my 14 days of Valentine's Day, 14 days of love. I'm bringing you 14 different videos, all inspired by a zodiac sign, as well as some additional content that is more wearable that you can wear during Valentine's Day this year. Same thing as my holiday series. Each of these is inspired by a zodiac sign, or 12 of them are. So comment down below before jumping into the video which zodiac sign you think this one is inspired by. And don't forget to tune into my Instagram and my TikTok to hear your reading for what's going on in your life during Valentine's Day this year. And without further ado, keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you loved this one. If you didn't, leave your guess down below. Make sure to leave your guess down below which zodiac sign you think this look is inspired by. And drum roll, please. This one is inspired by Capricorn Rising. If you are a Capricorn Rising, comment down below. And like I said, don't forget to tune into my Instagram to hear your horoscope, your reading for Valentine's Day 2022. I'll see you guys in the next video.